What it do? What's up? KDiani here in the cut, and today I'm gonna be showing you guys how I refresh my knotless braids. I had them in for 3 weeks now, but as you can see, they starting to look dusty. I'm gonna give y'all 360. And that's what it looks like. And little update, changed my hair color. It's like a light brown now, like really light brown. But let's hop right into this. The first thing I do is I mix up a spray bottle with apple cider vinegar, shampoo, and tons of water. This is the shampoo I use. It's the Suave Ocean Breeze infused with sea algae extract, vitamin E. It's a refreshing shampoo because I gotta refresh the scalp. And for the apple cider vinegar, I'm using this brand. It's not the original, you know, the raw unfiltered, but this one is diluted with water to 5% acidity, but I still put water in it. I just need something that's gonna help remove the buildup. You feel me? Well, basically, I'm just going to go in with my spray bottle and spray my scalp. Okay, so once I have my scalp all sprayed up and I like use my palms and my fingers to like remove any buildup, I'm gonna hop in the shower, rinse my hair, add conditioner just to my scalp, and then let the water run down the rest of my hair shaft and the braids. Okay, so I rinsed my hair out and I used the Suave Extensions Ocean Breeze conditioner. I used the matching conditioner to the shampoo. Usually I would use my Aussie Moist, but I really love that conditioner, so I'm gonna save it for when I take these out. But just from that, my scalp feels like so much better, and it smells like super clean. The next thing I'm going to do is oil my scalp. This is tea tree oil, Jamaican black castor oil, olive oil, and I think something else. But I'm using this mostly because it has the tea tree in it, and that's gonna help with like the itchiness and like prevent it. Once I massage the oil into my scalp, I'm then going to grab my blow dryer and I'm going to dry my scalp. So this is what my scalp dry looks like. I can feel the difference since I put the oil on it. Like my hair is like super soft. Like it feels like, you know, like got some juice and some life in it. I know there's some people that they just grab like jam or like edge control and just twist it and then pin it and let it sit there, but honestly that's gonna unravel and I really want these to last. So all of these braids, I'm going to redo them individually, and then these back braids, I'm just gonna apply mousse and that's gonna be it. So I have my tijeras, scissors, and I'm just going to chop these off. Now you're probably wondering like, oh, why did she wash her hair if she knows she's gonna take these out? Well, it's basically like, before you even do a protective style, you wash your hair, you oil your scalp, moisturize it, make sure everything's all good. Basically what I'm doing all over again, but I'm just gonna be redoing the front because, you know, that's the main thing people see. I mean, the back matters, but not really. So these dead. These dead, honey. Bye, Felicia. These is dead. So, where do I want to start? I'm gonna start on these over here. Start from the left, work my way to the right. So I have this left and a whole pack of Xpressions Hair left. So I'm gonna be using that to redo these things. Unravel. This is probably the most annoying part. You gotta like unravel everything. So that slip out. Ooh. So that slip out. Ooh. Okay. So got that out. Ooh. You know, usually when you take your braids out or whatever, you have like that buildup there. Notice how it's like no buildup. Sis, none. Y'all need to try that. Try that before y'all take your protective styles out. Get rid of that buildup. Sis. You better act like you know. This is my first piece right here. Did my second piece right here. Ooh. Nani J has subscribed to me on YouTube. Thank you, girl. Appreciate it. And this is my third piece. This is my third. Alright. So I'm gonna be using my edge control because I don't have no shiny jam. I ran out. Slip to the T, edge glaze. Y'all get with it. Boom. Grab me some edge control. You need to pay real close attention now. You got 3 pieces. 1, 2, 3. And you're gonna braid your own hair. Then you stop. You grab this, pull it over the top. Grab your hair with this side of the braiding hair. Braid it. Grab the other side, pull this one down towards that finger. This one's all done. Refresh. I'm gonna show y'all one more time how I do it, and then I'm gonna do the rest and get back to y'all. So unravel. And the next one. So this is what these two are looking like, you know, nice, neat, fresh. I'm going to do the rest of my braids, and when I'm done, I'll show you guys the finished result. Okay, so I finished redoing the front. This is what my hair looks like without me dipping it yet. I still have to dip it, get rid of, that's my parrot, get rid of the stiffness. But as you see, like with the knotless, like you could just move your hair like back and forward, really bomb, loving it. But I look like a whole new person with like my front all fixed up, right? Right. Cause I was looking beat up like.
Bye, Felicia.
And I look like.
Oh baby, what's your name?
I have my water heating up right now. About to go grab it. Ooh. And then I'm gonna dip it. Once I finish dipping the hair, I always put mousse in it. This is Vinegar olive oil mega moisture mousse, so they come out greeny. Green my favorite color, so that's lit. Once I finish putting the mousse in my hair, I have like a spritz. I'm almost out of this one, but I have another one. And I'll just spray the ends. Just so it can like feel locked in place. And that's basically it, how I do I refresh my hair and how I do the knotless braids on myself. You know, really nice. By far my second favorite protective style. Let me do a 360 so you guys can see the difference from before and the difference now. Well, that about wraps up this video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and most of all, don't forget to share the video and be on the lookout for more future videos. Till next time, mucho besitos.